Good morning, my name is Daniela Gomez and I am going to praise my wife. My activation is about today hub, why the busy entrepreneurs and investors will behave more confident and positive. Decrease and much on flow on person in companies. The relevant figure is actually the growth rate of total employment. In the middle of 2018, jobs were being created at a rate of 4%. Non-date rate was 2.4%. The fact is the expression of a lower global economic rate real. Cities with less unemployment. Between November 2020 and 2021, the cities with the lowest unemployment rates were in the Cali, Pereira, Bucaramanga, Ibagué, Cartagena, y Montería. The labor unions ensure they know on Labor Day there is nothing to celebrate and they said a decent word as in equation. Pays weight. The commemoration is made in the might of Saint and Inspired. Cities wide hunger unemployment. Between November 2020 and January 2021, the cities registered the highest unemployment rates were. The following in May is the unemployment rate in Colombia. The labor situation in Colombia is so regrettable and the policies so visible and squared. Pedras point out this way sign hate to leave the commemoration of Labor Day and replay in the way I age rate in homing to the eternal risk to why the indefinite term employment contract and they saying systematic elimination of a significant number of unions and collective bargaining a complicated scenario where the promotion of collective agreements were comparative and union contracts because they directly third collective bargaining and the free organization of workers in unions. The National Administrative Department of State then report the end of 2020 the unemployment rate in Colombia closing at 16%. In January 2021, the unemployment rate nationwide was 18 in the 14 cities and metropolitan areas in the 20. Thank you for your time.